Installing a transient voltage surge suppressor, or TVSS, between an automatic transfer switch and an emergency generator on a hardwired residential installation can provide additional protection against voltage spikes. There are several reasons for installing a TVSS. Firstly, lightning protection is a key benefit. TVSS devices protect against voltage spikes caused by lightning strikes or other electrical disturbances which can damage sensitive electrical equipment. Secondly, generators can produce voltage surges when they are started or stopped. A TVSS can help mitigate these surges and protect the automatic transfer switch and generator from damage. Thirdly, TVSSs can extend the lifespan of electrical equipment by protecting it from voltage spikes that can shorten its life. When installing a TVSS, several considerations are important. Firstly, carefully follow the installation instructions provided by the TVSS manufacturer. Secondly, ensure that the TVSS is properly grounded to dissipate surge currents. Thirdly, consider the rating of the TVSS already installed between the meter and the automatic transfer switch. It's important to ensure that both TVSSs work together effectively and do not interfere with each other. Fourthly, the TVSS should be installed as close as possible to the automatic transfer switch and generator to provide maximum protection. There are several benefits of installing a second TVSS. Firstly, the second TVSS provides additional protection against voltage spikes that may not be fully suppressed by the first TVSS. Secondly, if one TVSS fails, the other can still provide protection. Thirdly, it provides peace of mind knowing that the automatic transfer switch and generator are well protected against voltage spikes. In conclusion, installing a TVSS between an automatic transfer switch and an emergency generator on a hardwired residential installation can provide additional protection against voltage spikes, extend the lifespan of equipment, and enhance overall safety. However, it's important to carefully consider the installation considerations and coordinate with any existing TVSS to ensure optimal protection.